start going.
Yeah. Okay. Damn.
Alright, take two. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, take two.
Take two because mods kept crashing Canada.
I get to see Chad coach, so...
I mean, yeah.
I'm not too mad.
Yeah, no, don't be too mad.
Stay away from the shore until we signal you.
Do you trust that guy?
Don't think we got much choice in the matter.
Like...
Pitchfork? Oh, really?
I got
I wanted the axe, but...
Oh, no, hey, Canada.
Make an exchange.
Yeah, the pitchfork's open.
You. So what do I know?
I got double pistols. I'm happy. Okay, I'm following you guys. Oh, come on.
Oh yeah, just remember, be very careful with what you take because we might need it for the for when we do this actual survival event.
Okay, so what I'm reading from this situation is that you want me to take everything.
Will you cut that shit
No,
out?
you only want to take some things.
I'm reading it loud and clear.
Because we need stuff because this is the same spot where the survival event will happen.
Oh wait, like here?
Yeah, we played through the first two maps and then we played them back. Because we signal Virgil with the burger tank.
Yeah, the burger tank. Oh.
Okay, the pitchfork has a really bad hitbox.
Oh, you get off him.
Guys, be careful, witch.
Okay, careful of that witch. Oh wait, she's walking. We can just wait for her to walk out of the way.
Honestly, yeah, let's just do that.
Okay, I'm going.
You go. Okay, now it's my turn.
Alright, you come up.
Bro, I'd rather not fight a witch.
Come on, Butter.
Yeah, I'm coming, don't you worry. I see a zombie on top of the roof.
It's so weird being able to use guns now.
Oh yeah, because we did force.
You know, after being forced to use katanas and 4 swordsmen.
Yeah.
Charger!
I almost killed it while I was running, but I
flip!
forgot that Uzi sucks.
Okay.
Canada, please tell me you saw what that charger did!
No, it just flopped.
That man did a flip on my screen!
Okay, wait, this is,
Do a flip!
mini horde? Bro, I'm fighting neon furries. I think I forgot to install source.
Hills here! Oh, it's like there's comments every 5 seconds!
I mean...
That's just Left 4 Dead.
That's why they're called commons.
Yeah.
Get out of my sight! I'll crush you!
I hear Peter Griffin.
There's a sniper here.
Where the hell is Peter Griffin, man?
Hills here!
I swear to God. I will suck the life out of Peter Griffin.
I mean, I think I heard the thing. Ooh, he is right there!
Yeah.
Shoot the shit out of that thing!
He took damage from that. Like,
You hit him with the pipe bomb!
because I thought I had a Molotov.
You know, apparently it's actually possible to kill a tank with a pipe bomb.
Hello, tank.
It's more damage.
You just gotta get very lucky.
I took a shit ton
Better.
of damage from that.
Dead. We got a boomer!
I got the boomer.
Okay, we just gotta go through here and then the exit should be on our right? Oh,
There's
wait, no,
so many purple ones!
that is just wall.
What do you mean there's so many purple ones?
Yeah, so, the furries aren't, like, the mod is, like, kinda glitching out. So it's not doing the normal textures for those furries. It's, it's making them all purple and stuff. And red and blue and white.
I forgot to download Source.
Combat here. Yeah, we got combat shotguns.
Yeah, oh, wait.
On the table.
Oh, my baby.
I'd also probably recommend, like, not taking any of the adrenaline, so we can get to the burger tank faster.
Yeah, okay.
So, like, take, like, the pills and stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait, but why don't I want to take the adrenaline? Because that'll just let me run faster.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be adrenaline that we'll be able to find in the safe room at the end of this, which we can use to speed over here.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
And then we can use the adrenaline here so we can get to the finish there fast. So we can get to the burger tank faster. Okay, I guess we're going through the window. Now I just need laser sight and then I'm unstoppable.
Yep. I'm gonna go grab a different weapon. I'll be back.
Oh, what did you grab?
I stole my sniper. Got a combat shotgun now.
Dude, combat shotguns are the best weapon in the entire
That's
game.
That's why he's hurt a tank.
Oh, you were trying to use the sniper? Charger.
Just Goku. Okay, I protected Canada.
Guys, there's a...
Oh no. Where?
Oh, we got an early tank. That's not good.
Tank at
get back out. Get back out here. Get back out here. Butter.
Oh god.
Alright, never mind. Just it tanked all that. Never mind. No, it didn't.
He needs an adult.
Let's throw a Molotov in the door.
Probably just use your pills.
Bro, man's pulling a Gohan. He's an adult. Lucky for him, I am an adult. No,
Alright, so just remember, like, beyond this point, this is where all the witches will start spawning.
Oh, wait, yeah, I remember this level then.
You know, I shot that zombie head on with that, but he just didn't take any damage.
That zombie's an asshole. What?
These zombies just spawned in on my screen.
Do I hear Joe?
There's also a charger.
Oh.
I'm gonna bonk him. Never mind, no I'm not.
Other way around, huh? I got you.
Are you using the dual pistol?
Yep.
Why?
Because it's better than one pistol.
Like, just use your primary. Do not startle the witch, just go around her.
Where's Cheese? Cheese, get over here.
Do not startle the witch, Cheese, just go around.
It did the noise, and I got.
You know, crouching is not gonna help you not get startled by it. Just it's honestly just faster if you just run.
Okay.
Yeah.
That zombie went flying. Okay.
Why are all the Joes in this area?
Well, I mean, I guess it's kind of just like a sweets thing. Just crouch, jump up here.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, perfect. Good.
Okay, we just gotta get by a couple more. Ooh, no, you do not get those. Wait, butter, take these pills.
Oh, too late.
Okay.
Dude, that charger was a drug addict. He needed the pills.
Damn! I need some help!
Damn, I need some more.
These are keep him off me while I res him. Well, now you can use those pills.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm almost out of primary ammo.
Well, I still have almost all of mine. That's why I use the double pistols. Guys, be careful.
I mean, I have been using my bat. Oh, there's another witch right there. There are two witches.
Yeah, I hear my boy Swanson singing.
Actually, we can just run between these two.
Yeah, bro.
Oh wait, I think there's there's ammo up this way.
Oh hell yeah!
Help me. I swear I shoved. This game does not like me.
Ooh, hello, jockey! Where'd the charger come from?
Wait, hold up. Yeah, wait. I didn't even see him. Where'd he go?
Put it in the corner. Optimal.
Where the hell is the ammo?
Oh no.
Is there no ammo?
It would appear
well,
that
yes,
way.
I'm using the bat.
Yeah, bro, just use your bat. Oh no. I'll just knock him.
Boomer mile. Where did this guy come from?
Where the hell?
Off the edge with you. You didn't go off the edge.
You know what? Twitter.
In the elevator, in the elevator.
Come on, everybody in.
Get in the elevator. Uh-oh.
Well, that first objective failed.
Okay, hear me out.
Oh, oh my god.
No, I will not.
I know for a fact there was a witch down here, but I wasn't expecting it to be around the corner.
You told us strictly not to touch a witch because you wanted to get the achievement.
I just wanted to look in here to see if there was like anything I could heal with, bruh.
You wanted the achievement and you failed the achievement.
Who just gave me this? I do
How was
not
I
need this.
supposed to know there was a witch there?
I don't know. Don't you have your game audio up?
I heard her crying, but just because I can hear her crying, that doesn't tell me where she is.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Are you playing with one headphone in?
I'll shower you in coconut cream pies.
This is what friends are for.
Oh yeah, and then just in case you need an extra medkit, there's a second medkit in the shack where I got jumped by the witch.
I'll mark that down for later.
I'll pick that up.
Thanks, boys.
Oh, you got the fuel. Return to the boat. Let's go.
How bad do these storms get?
Oh wait, the witches can't spot us this easy in this one, can she?
Reloading.
Yeah, no, witches now spawn regularly now.
Oh shit. But like,
So it should only just be one witch now.
Reloading.
okay. I'll shower you in coconut cream.
And now we can get on.
pies.
Yeah, I can. In the little hut, there should be a medkit in there.
I just walked into a wheelbarrow. Wait, no.
There also is a pipe bomb here.
Why is there a storm?
That's a very good question.
This is gonna be difficult as shit to hear one another.
No, it's fine. We'll just yell over each other. Come on, man.
I didn't think it'd be this bad.
Holy.
Oh yeah, just remember the fact. I don't think they'll spawn anymore. But just for the sake of the construction worker zombies, just remember the fact that pipe bombs don't affect them.
What? Why?
It's because of the earmuffs they have.
Oh, that is such good detail. I love that. I love that very
Brilliant.
much.
Brilliant.
Ah,
Oh, I'm getting cold.
Don't worry, Cheese. I got you.
Hello?
Reloading.
Housekeeping? Sir, I'm sorry, but my roof isn't fixed. You're gonna have to come into the door.
Oh, wait, hold up.
if these comments don't get off my back.
Oh.
You beta smoker.
You're a beta male, Sonic.
You guys hear that?
Why do I hear another witch?
I know for a fact
leave
that
him.
Arthur.
Oh my god,
He got air!
Oh my god. Oh, the rain's picking up.
Get out of my way!
Cheese, I got you. Okay.
Oh man, we got some air.
Bro, that was the funniest shit I've ever seen.
Move!
Come on, Canada, let's go.
Through that door.
What door?
Over here, this like little.
Bro, I hate it when a comment hits you from behind. It just cuts your speed.
Yeah, bro.
So cringe.
And yet, they're not affected by the water.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
They don't care. They are the Giga Chads of the apocalypse. The zombies themselves. They don't care about the
Man
weather.
always got the adrenaline buff.
No.
Okay, on the bright side, the door is right there.
No. Hunter.
Why are they going for only me?
I don't know, maybe because you're their prime target. Everything about that, huh?
Bro, they're probably doing this for revenge because of the time I mowed them down with a chainsaw and M60.
Look out.
What was it? There we go.
Bro, it crawled across the corner of my screen. Of course I didn't kill it. It's not like it crawled on the desk where I could just crush it to death with a tissue. Man, just crawled on the corner of my screen. Is there?
Well, you got a new roommate.
He's gonna watch you. He's gonna give commentary.
And the whole place is underwater.
Was there actually only one thing of adrenaline here?
Well, later, suckers.
Well, okay. Screw you.
Fuck's sake.
Stay on the high ground.
well, this is what
Like
happens.
the hedgehog.
I'll even crown the witch just
this is what
to rub it in your guys' face.
Did you kill the
Okay.
witch?
Yeah, I just crowned the witch.
Okay, buddy.
Calm your ego.
Or a beta male.
Oh, just don't save him. Just don't save him.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't save him.
This is what you get.
There was a Goku, and his name was Kakarot.
It's called karma, bitch.
Bro, this is gonna be difficult as hell to survive because we can't see 5 feet in front of us.
Screw you, furry. I was trying to go down the slide.
I like how they designed this level to be able to go both ways.
Well, through this house.
Oh, wait, this is the safe room.
What a lovely estate.
Butter!
Yeah, sorry.
Get in the room!
We are right there.
Okay, we got this.
You know, I thought, okay, well, I mean, I guess this is I guess that's an okay spot to cut it off.
Cheese killed 2 infected. Oh my
Hey,
god.
so now it's time for the survival part.
Yeah, okay, it's time. It's time to man up or nut up.
Huh?
With the burger tank sign.
Come again?
Coconut cream. Yeah, gladly.
No. All Coach deserves in this apocalypse
It's a
is a
burger.
good old burger.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what he wanted throughout this apocalypse.
No, I thought he wanted to listen to a band and stuff.
Yeah, he did.
He wanted to
Also,
live in a nice neighborhood.
you want some good food,
Are there
right?
any pills?
Yeah, nice neighborhood.
Oh wait, we took all the pills out at the start. Shit.
Yeah, no, yeah.
You're signaling?
Yeah, just do it.
We're signaling Virgil.
Signal the Virgin.
Single virgin.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about calling him a virgin. Virgil is the Giga Chad.
No, he's getting all the tail, dude.
Man, bro, you got no respect. This man saved our ass at the plantation. You ain't giving him nothing.
Oh wait, they're all attacking each other. This is perfect. I love this. I love watching them all frantically destroy each other. It's
Like, bro.
a thing.
Like, this man saved us from the plantation. No, fucking spiders on my screen again. Let's see if I can get him this time.
Okay, we're protected. We kill something that's outside of the video game.
Little bastard. I hit him with the tissue, but he survived it.
How big is this spider?
Oh my god.
It's not that big. It's a small boy. It's a small spider.
Actually, I became a man today when I killed a spider that was crawling up my wall. I have a huge arachnophobia problem.
Up here, what?
Oh wow,
my
you actually
wall.
managed to kill a spider.
Yeah.
Wall. Oh. It would have been even more melee if you,
think you know this
you
spider's
called it while it was
gonna
crawling up
fucking
your
dead.
arm.
Dude, if it was crawling on my arm, I would have screamed like a little bitch.
Bro, that fucking
was crawling
common
up my arm,
dip
that's the
shooting up on the
difference.
roof.
Ammo.
Oh no. Peter,
I hear
where
the
are
tank.
you? Peter, my baby, where are you?
I hear him
He's on the
growling.
left.
I just hear, hey, it's me, Peter Griffin.
Hello, Peter. Welcome to Fortnite.
Actually, due to my last video, I had kind of a deep personal connection with Peter Griffin.
Uh-oh.
You became Peter.
Yeah, I became Peter.
Oh, I thought I could duck that. No, he domed me with that. Oh, he's climbing.
Oh.
I thought he was gonna climb up onto the roof.
Oh.
No, don't
Did
worry.
you get hit by my Molotov?
There you
No,
go.
geez, stop shooting him. The swarm. Let the swarm get him.
Careful. Cover me.
The swarm got him.
Patch myself up.
Holy shit, bro, that was amazing. Oh. Is the spider back?
Virgil should be here. After this horde,
Maple?
Virgil will arrive.
Maple? Maple, are you okay? Oh no.
What did you do?
No. I'll protect him with my life.
What did you do?
I did nothing. Yo, bro, protect Maple.
No!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
That was mine.
What happened to him?
Incoming!
We lost a good man today.
I think he crashed.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
He's a bot now.
After all those years of calling us bots.
Exactly. This is what he gets, man.
I don't know what happened there. I just crashed. My PC just turned off on me.
Oh my god. Dude, okay, just...
Hey, we're finishing the campaign without you.
No, wait, I think he'll make it back in time.
I'm joining back as fast as I don't know, my PC just turned off.
It was the spider, I swear.
The spider came back.
Do shift tab at the same time?
I'm joining back.
Okay. You're really low on HP, by the way.
Your NPC stuff is...
So I got your
Bro,
NPC
I don't
stuff.
know what was happening. I was just on the roof. We just killed the tank, and then for some reason my PC turned off.
I watched it happen. You're back.
I'm so sorry about that.
You don't have to be sorry, dude.
Back to the...
Butter, come here. Let me help.
That was
Butter, come here. Let me heal
comedical.
you.
I protected your ass. This is what I get for it.
Hi, Virgil's coming because that was the
Virgil's
second
gonna be here soon.
Bill carried the episode by...
Bro, mod, bro, crashes because of mod, and then my PC just crashes on me.
He's here.
No,
Remember me.
there's another tank.
Get on there.
Everybody get on.
Now. Get on. Get on.
I'm on!
Friend.
Okay, good. Gee, okay, well that was something.
That was quite the eventful.
If the tank was on the boat with us, we've obtained friend.
Bro, I didn't get the achievement because my thing crashed on me.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was our fastest campaign yet. That only took us 28 minutes.
28 minutes? I got my work cut out for me.
I would have got the achievement for that if I didn't fucking crash.
Now he's got 0 on everything.
Bro, why? I don't know why my PC just decided it just said fuck you. I'm gonna turn off now.
It was the spider, you missed it.
Oh my god, the spider is the true enemy.
Dude, the spider sells the tank.
Mission Impossible. He's into his computer's name.
He fries his PC, jumps into the fan.
Bro, just
Come on,
kamikaze.
bro. I thought my power went up for a sec, but no, it's just the fucking PC said, hey, you know what? Fuck you.
You want to see a better trick? Jump, it kamikazes itself into the
Damn it, now I
fan.
gotta beat this in my own time so I can feel like I did it legitimately.
Yeah.